Hi everyone, I'm Dawn Kramer. I'm 43 years old. I have two daughters, a stepdaughter, and an almost 2-year-old granddaughter. I live in the Pocono area of Pennsylvania, which is beautiful most times of year, except for winter, which I cannot stand. So I'm really looking forward to springtime and summer and fall. And just warming up the weather would be nice. I like to shoot pool, and I'm a huge Philadelphia Eagles fan, and I like to sing karaoke. Right now, I'm currently not working because I'm having a hard time finding a job in the social work field that doesn't require a master's degree. I'm still actively seeking employment and hopefully can find something soon. My goal is to one day be a counselor, focusing on people that have drug and alcohol addictions. My past classes, I truly enjoyed working in groups, which kind of surprised me. I was apprehensive at first about it because I had bad experiences in the past. However, while working with these groups, I made friends that I think I'm going to have for a very long time, if not for the rest of my life. And we were able to share our anxieties, our fears, our hopes, our dreams. And I didn't feel so alone on an online program. Another thing I really enjoyed in my previous classes was being able to use tools to resolve conflicts, and I was able to try this out on my family members for different assignments for the class that were due, and I found how informative they were and how well they worked, and I know that I'm going to carry this on to my career. In the past, I wasn't too thrilled about learning about government and history and politics, etc. When I was in high school and stuff, I found it to be very boring and kind of just drift off and not really pay attention. However, as an adult, I realized just how important it is to know about our government and to know about policies, especially in the social work field, because we might have to advocate on behalf of our clients and have to deal with policies and trying to make changes. So I really hope that I can learn all about policies, and by the end of this class, be able to know enough to carry it throughout the rest of my career. I look forward to getting to meet all of you. I recognized a few names from previous classes, and I hope we all do well in this class. And I wish you all the best of luck. Thanks for watching my video, and have a great day.